Hello everyone. In this part, that is the seventh part of trigonometry, we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Before we discuss this section, let me recall you what are complementary angles. Two angles whose sum value is 90 degree are called complementary angles, and the two angles whose angle sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. So here is a triangle ABC. Right angle at B. If angle A is theta, then what will the value of angle C? Angle B is 90 degree, and from triangle angle sum property, sum of A and C is 90 degree. So if angle A is theta, then angle B will be 90 degree minus theta. So here in triangle ABC, that is right angle at B, angle A is equals to theta and angle C is equals to 90 degree minus theta. So let's calculate the trigonometric ratios. First we will calculate the trigonometric ratios for angle C, that is 90 minus theta. So sine of angle C, we will write 90 degree minus theta instead of C. Sin is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. For angle C, the perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus theta means cos value of angle C is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is BC and hypotenuse is AC, and tan 90 degree minus theta means tan value of angle C is equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB and base value is BC. Now cot 90 degree minus theta, that is the reciprocal of tan, is equals to BC upon AB. Now sec 90 degree minus theta, that is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is AC upon BC, and cosec 90 degree minus theta is equals to reciprocal of sin 90 degree minus theta, that is equals to AC upon AB. Now we will discuss the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle A, that is theta. Now sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For angle A, perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse remains the same in all cases, that is AC. Now cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, BC upon AB, cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta, that is AB upon BC, and sec theta, sec is the reciprocal of cos, that is equals to AC upon AB. Similarly, cosec theta is equals to reciprocal of sin theta is equals to AC upon BC. Now relate these two ratios. Sin 90 minus theta, that is AB upon AC, that matches to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta BC upon AC, that is equal to the sin 90 minus theta, which is also BC upon AC. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta, that is equals to AB upon BC, that is the same value of for cot theta AB upon BC, and cot 90 minus theta means BC upon AB is equals to BC upon B, that is the value of tan theta. Similarly, sec 90 minus theta, that is AC upon BC, is equals to the cosec theta, that is AC upon BC, and cosec 90 minus theta, that is AC upon AB, that is the value of sec theta. From these columns we find sin 90 degree minus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta is equals to cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta is equals to tan theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta is equals to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta is equals to sec theta. Using these formulas, we are going to solve exercise 8.3. We discussed introduction of trigonometry, trigonometric ratios, and question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 8.1 in the first part of the video. In second part, we discussed from question number 3 to question number 9 of exercise 8.1, and in third part we discuss question number 9 to last, and in part 4 we derive the specific values of some specific number of trigonometric ratios, and we solved exercise 8.2 in part 5th and 6th. If you have missed those sections, go and check the videos. Let me these complementary values here. Sin 90 degree minus theta is equals to cos theta, cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta is equals to cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta is equals to tan theta, sec 90 degree minus theta is equals to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta is equals to sec theta. Now let's decide this exercise 8.3. Question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Solution. We will express these two different ratios in same form. Whether we will convert sin in the form of cos, we can, or cos in the form of sin. I am converting sin in the form of cos. So sin can be expressed in the form of cos. Sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Here theta value is 18 degree, means sin theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus theta, and divided by cos 72 degree is equals to cos 90 minus 18, that is equals to 72 degree, and denominator is cos 72 degree, cancel out, that is equals to 1, and here is the answer. Question number 2, tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. We will do the same. Whether we will convert numerator denominator in the form of tan or in the form of cot. So tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 degree minus theta value is 26 degree, and denominator let it remain the same, that is cot 64 degree. Cot, the difference of 90 and 26 degree is 64 degree, divided by cot 64 degree, cancel out in 1 times, that is equals to 1, and here is the answer. Question number 3, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degrees. Solution. We will solve with the same procedure. Whether we will convert cos 48, whether we will convert cos theta in the form of sin or sin in the form of cos. Let us express cos in the form of sin. So cos theta is 48 degree, can be written as sin 90 degree minus theta, that is 48 degree, minus sin 42 is equals to sin, the difference is 42 degree minus sin 42 degree, both cancel out, is equals to 0, and it is the answer. Similarly, question number 4, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. You can pause the video and solve by yourself. Now match the solution. We can convert either cosec in the form of sec or sec in the form of cosec. So cosec theta is equals to, here theta value is 31 degree, sec 90 degree minus theta minus sec 59 degree, that is equals to sec, the difference is 59 degree minus sec 59 degree, both cancel out, that is equals to 0, and here is the answer. Question number 2, show that, let's clean the board, and make sure after solving the exercises from NCERT you have to do practice from R.S. Agrawal or any other side book. Question of first of 2, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree, tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equals to 1. Solution. Here we will arrange the LHS term. We will put the complementary angles with together. So 48 degree and 42 degree, these two are complementary. Let's put them together. Tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree, 23 and 67 are complementary, that is tan 23 degree into tan 67 degree is equals to 1. Now tan 48 degree, here theta is 42 degree, tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 degree minus theta is 42 degree into tan 23 degree into, here theta is 67, tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta, that is 67 degree, is equals to 1. Tan 48 degree into cot 90 minus 42, that is 48 degree, into tan 23 degree into 90 minus 67 degree, that is cot 23 degree, is equals to 1. Tan 48 degree into, since cot is the reciprocal of tan, so we can replace cot in the form of 1 upon tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into 1 upon tan 23 degree is equals to 1, as tan theta is equals to, or cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta, and here the reason was tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. So tan 48 cancel out, and tan 23 degree cancel out. 1 is equals to 1, LHS is equals to RHS. Proved. Second of question number 2. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree into cos 52 degree, both are complementary angles, minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree, sin 38 degree into sin 42 degree is equals to 0. 38 and 42 are complementary. Solution. Here in LHS we will convert cos in the form of sin, any of the cos 38 degree into cos theta is equals to sin let me check the question. Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equals to 0. Cos theta is equals to sin 90 degree minus theta, bracket close, minus sin 38 degree into sin theta can be accessed as cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 degree minus theta is 42 degree is equals to 0. Cos 38 degree into sin the difference is 38 minus sin 38 degree into cos 38 degree is equals to 0. Sin 38 into cos 38 degree cancel out by sin 38 into cos 38, and 0 is equals to 0. LHS is equals to RHS. Proved. Question number 3. Let me read the question. If tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So, given tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, to find the value of a. Solution. Since tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, that is given. Now, whether we will convert tan in the form of cot or cot in the form of tan. So, if we convert tan in the form of cot, here theta is 2a, tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta, that is 2a, is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, that is equals to, since tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta, that is equals to now we will compare only angle value, don't cancel out cot from cot. So in LHS we have angle value 90 degree minus 2a is equals to, and in RHS we have the angle value a minus 18 degree. Now balance the equation and we will find out the value of a. 90 degree minus 18 plus 18 is equals to a minus 2a, RHS में शिफ्ट होकर ये होगी प्लस 2a. The sum is 108 degree is equals to 3a. Therefore 108 degree, 3 will divide here, that is the value of a. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 6s are 18. Therefore a is equals to 36 degree. Answer. Actually the duration of video is 40 minutes, that's why I was calculating how many minutes has been passed and how many minutes are left. So the video will finish at 45. Question number 4. If tan A is equals to cot B, then prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Given tan A is equals to cot B, to prove angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degree. Proof. tan is equals to cot B, then prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Since we are discussing two different acute angles of a right angle triangle, so let's first draw the diagram. So here is a right angle triangle A, B, C, that is right angle at C. Since tan A is equals to cot B, that is given. So tan value for angle A perpendicular upon base means BC upon AC is equals to cot value of B. Cot is the ratio of base and perpendicular. For angle B, base is BC and perpendicular is AC. BC is equals to BC upon AC. AC will be multiplied in RHS. AC cancel out. Sorry, let me check the question. Tan A is equals to cot B. All is well. Tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base. For angle A, perpendicular is BC and base is AC, and for angle B, cot base upon perpendicular, base is BC and perpendicular is AC. BC is equals to BC. We will not get any conclusion, so let's solve this using the complementary identities. Since tan A is equals to cot theta can be expressed in the form of tan theta. Cot theta is equals to tan 90 degree minus, here theta value is B, tan A is equals to, so I am not going to write the same statement here. We will relate only angle value, don't cancel out tan. So A is equals to 90 degree minus B, therefore B will be adding the LHS. So A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Proved. Question number 5. Given sec 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree, sec 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle, then find the value of A. To find solution, cosec A minus 20 degree, find the value of A. Solution, since sec 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree, that is given. Now whether convert sec in the form of cosec or cosec in the form of sec. So sec theta, theta is 4A, can be expressed as cosec 90 degree minus theta is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree. Now relate the angle values. 90 degree minus 4A is equals to A minus 20 degree. So 90 degree plus 20 degree is equals to A minus 4A will be added in RHS, that is plus 4A So 90 plus 20, 110 degree is equals to 5a. 110 degree divided by 5, that is the value of a. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10. Therefore angle A is equals to 22 degree, and here is the answer. Question number 6. As the binding of NCERT books are too weak, so papers get easily tear. If AB and C are interior angles of a right angle triangle, then show that sin B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos A upon 2. Given in triangle ABC. So here is a right angle triangle ABC. A, B, C, that is right angle at A. Angle A is equals to 90 degree. We will not do the diagram because it is not clear that which is acute angle, which is right angle triangle. So given in triangle ABC, A, B and C are the interior angles. To prove, and this is the question number 6, that is most important question. Sin B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos A upon 2. Proof. Again we will follow the same procedure or convert either sine in the form of cos or cos in the form of sine. So I am converting here cos in the form of sine. So copying LHS, sin B plus C whole divided by 2 is equals to cos theta. Here theta value is A upon 2. Cos theta is equals to sin 90 degree minus theta So now we will relate B plus C upon 2 is equals to 90 degree minus A upon 2. So B plus C upon 2 is equals to 92 is 180 degree minus A whole divided by 2. B plus C upon 2 is equals to 180 degree, that is the sum of all interior angles of the triangle. In angle A plus angle B plus angle C, we can write now instead of 180 degree minus A whole divided by 2. So B plus C upon 2 is equals to A plus B plus C minus A whole divided by 2, minus A plus A cancel out. B plus C upon 2 equals to B plus C upon 2. LHS is equals to RHS proved. The questions can be solved from 3 or 4 ways. Try the another ways. Convert the sin theta in the form of cos theta and follow the same procedure. Now we'll solve the last question. Question number 7. Express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in the terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. Means we have to convert these ratios such that the angle value will be lie between 0 degree and 45 degree, as the both angle value exceeds the 45 degree. Solution. Again we will follow the complementary identities. Sin 67, we will convert the sin in the form of sin theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus the theta value is 67 degree plus convert the cos in the form of sin. Cos theta is equals to sin 90 degree minus theta value is 75 degree here. So cos 90 degree minus 67 degree 23 degree plus sin 90 minus 75, that is 15 degree, and here is the answer where theta value is lied between 0 degree and 45 degree. This is exercise 8.4, that is the most important exercise of the trigonometry. In the next video, bye bye.